Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Study Place YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about the JDK. What is JDK? In the previous video we have learned about the JRE and JVM. So today we will learn about the JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit, and it is the superset of JRE, and it contains everything about the JRE. So JDK is the superset of JRE. So JDK only have the JRE, okay, and also it has the JRE, but and also it has the compilers and debuggers which are necessary for developing the applets and applications. So JDK contains JRE, and it also contains the compilers and debuggers which are necessary for developing the applets and applications. So what is this JRE? I have told in the previous videos. Still in short I will explain. So JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, okay, and it is used to run the applets and applications through libraries and other components, okay, in the Java programming language. So JRE also has the JVM. In JRE only JVM is there. So JRE contains JVM plus libraries and other components. These libraries and other components are used to run the applets and applications in the Java programming language. So we can say that JRE is the superset of JVM. So what is this JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. This also I have told in previous video. Java Virtual Machine. So this JVM does not understand what we write the Java programs, does not understand directly. That's why what we have wrote the Java program, that we will compile it, then we get the bytecode. That bytecode is understandable by the Java Virtual Machine, and this bytecode is only called as .class. I hope you have got this. So JRE is the superset of JVM. So JRE contains the libraries and other components which are used to run the applets and applications. So JRE also had, so we can say that JRE is the superset of JVM. So JRE had the JVM plus libraries and other components, okay, but JRE does not have compilers and debuggers, but JDK has the compilers and debuggers. So JDK is the superset of JRE, okay, and it contains everything about JRE. Whatever the JRE has, it contains, JDK contains, and plus whatever the JRE has, it also contains the JDK. JDK contains the JRE and everything about related to JRE, plus it also contains the compilers and debuggers. For it, compilers and debuggers are necessary to develop the applets and applications. So we can say that JDK equal to JRE plus tools and like compilers and debuggers, okay. So JDK contains JRE, which I have told what it is, plus and tools and utilities such as compilers and debuggers. So by this diagram we can say that JDK is the superset of JRE. I have told here also JDK is the superset of JRE. JDK is the superset of JRE, with JRE contains JVM. So JVM is used to get the bytecode which is understandable by the JVM, okay. So JVM does not understand the normal Java program, so we compile the Java program to get the bytecode that is understandable by the JVM. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and it is used to run the applets and applications by libraries and other components. And JDK and JRE also has the JDK, we know this, and JDK has the JRE. So in JRE only JVM is there. So JDK is the superset of JRE, and JRE is the superset of JVM. So JDK has the JRE, means whatever related to JRE is there, that all it had, plus compilers and debuggers, okay. I hope you have got this. If you have any kind of related doubt about this video, the comment section is open for you only, so please comment down below. If you have understood this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.